Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to be continuing my series on the best free live TV or IPTV applications in 2024 that provide hundreds of live channels, on-demand content, and best of all are 100% free to use. So the application that we're going to cover in this video is Sling TV Freestream. Yes, there is a free version of Sling TV called Freestream that offers more than 500 channels and news, movies, and popular shows. And the best part is there's no sign up or login required. You also don't even have to provide a payment method here either. So I will leave a link to everything that I mentioned in the video description below. But if you go to watch.sling.com, you can access Sling Freestream on any web browser. You'll see up here, there's home. You're scrolling through all sorts of content here. There's a guide, so there's an electronic program guide, and there's also an on-demand option here as well. I'm going to get into more details as I launch the streaming application on my Amazon Fire Stick here in a little bit. But before I dive into that, I first want to note that Sling TV and Freestream is available inside reputable app stores such as Google Play, Amazon, Roku, and also Apple. Now, looking at the Google Play Store here, this has over 10 million downloads and almost 92,000 reviews. So based on this, I can be 100% certain that Sling TV and Freestream are legal and verified to use on my device. So now I'm going to hop over to my Amazon Fire Stick and let's take a look at the Sling TV Freestream application. All right, so I just plugged in my Amazon Fire Stick 4K Max, and guys, you'll see I already have the Sling TV application installed. If you do not have Sling TV installed, you will need to install this from your respective app store. So on the Fire Stick, how you would do that is you would hover over Find, click Search, and you would type in Sling. So I'm going to type in Sling really quick here, and you'll see it populates below Sling TV. I'm going to click that. And here is the application you will want to install. It's Sling under Apps and Games. Now, I already have the app installed, so it's not going to work for me, but that is how you would install Sling TV. So I'm going to hit the home button on my remote, and I'm going to launch the Sling TV application for the first time. And here is the main screen. So it says, try us today or sign in. Now, this is a little tricky. I'm not going to lie, as I could not find the Freestream option when I did this for the first time. So if you click try us today, that's simply just a login from your phone. If I hit back and click sign in, this would be signing into the actual Sling TV service. And you'll see there's no option for Freestream. Now, what you would do is you would simply hit the back button on your remote, and then this item comes up. It says Sling Freestream, stream free or no thanks. So you'd click stream free. And this will direct you to the Sling TV Freestream option. And here we are. So here is Sling TV Freestream on my Amazon Fire Stick. So in this video, I'm just going to quickly go through some of the notable categories, channels, settings, etc. So right on the home screen, I do like this interface. It says recommended for you, must-see movies, featured shows, Sling premium packages, streaming hub, and it even has some sports options here as well. It shows some scores, but I believe there's some live sports options and highlights and talk shows and things of that nature. There's music videos, romance, comedy, action, etc. So what I'm looking for here is the guide. So on the left, if I go over and click guide, this will launch the electronic program guide. So as I'm scrolling through here, I do like this interface a lot for it being a free streaming application. So some of the notable channels now that I'm looking through here, well, before I get into that, guys, on top, you'll see the different categories. So it says all channels. You can filter it by A to Z if you want it alphabetically. There's recents. There's entertainment, there's sports, there's news and opinion, movies, comedy, lifestyle, and you'll see I'm just kind of flipping through the different channel categories here on top. So I wanted to call that out if you did not notice the categories on top. So now that I'm filtered by all, I'm just going to scroll through here, and some of the notable channels include ABC News Live, CBS News, Cheddar News, USA Today, TMZ, Fox Weather, AccuWeather is a good one that I found myself using, Live Now. So a lot of local channels here as I'm scrolling through as well. So if you're into the general news and entertainment categories, Sling TV Freestream is definitely an option you will want to check out. So AMC Thrillers, that's another good one. And as I'm scrolling through, there's a lot of combat sports stuff. Scrolling through here as well. So Game Show, Catch 21, Fear Factor, Family Feud, Comedy Central, LOL Network, comedy stuff again. And so those are just some of the channels as I'm scrolling through here. They do update their content library pretty frequently, as I know this was different the last time that I looked into this. So now I'm going to hit the back button on my remote, and let's look at some of the on-demand options. So on the left-hand side, I'm on Guide. There's DVR if you want to download some DVR stuff here. There's on-demand, and then there's settings. So I'm going to click on-demand. And when I click on-demand, on the very top, you'll see movies, TV shows, and kids. So those are the 3 on-demand categories. I'm going to start with movies, and if I'm scrolling through movies, here's some of the movie categories. We have must-see movies, romantic comedies, highly rated documentaries, thrillers, comedy, horror, etc., etc. So I believe this platform has hundreds of free movies and TV shows. And as I'm scrolling through the must-see movies category, I'm sure you'll recognize some of these names here. Some pretty notable titles for considering it's a free streaming application. You can't really beat that. Of course, these are ad-supported, just like other free streaming apps I've covered on my channel. That's a very notable title there. Romantic comedies, but that is, I'm okay with watching ads when it comes to free movies and TV shows. That's how these platforms do monetize themselves and make money that way instead of charging for a typical subscription. So as I come up top here, we'll click TV shows. And then here are some of the options for TV shows. That's a good TV show right there I've seen in the past. So some of the categories for TV shows: comedy TV, bingeable TV, cozy comfort, clues, conspiracies and killers, food and travel, game shows, some notable game show options here, food and travel options. So just a lot of great selections here considering Sling has this free stream option. Kids, there is some kids content here as well if you have kids and they enjoy this type of content. Just another great offering provided by Sling Freestream. If I click settings, here's just a couple settings here. Manage content, device settings. There's an option for local channels, which is pretty cool. So if I click that, you can connect your device with local channels, accessibility. So just a few settings here, nothing major. And then up top, there's an option to sign in. So if you want to create an account, you can do that. You do not need an account to use Sling Freestream. But this is going to just prompt you to sign up for the Sling TV paid service, is what my opinion is there. But that's it, guys. Again, this is Bodie with IPTV Wire. I appreciate you watching this quick video on the Sling Freestream application. And guys, be sure to like this video and also let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you're a fan of Sling Freestream, are there any other free applications you guys are using that I need to pay attention to? And guys, also be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I hope you all have a great day.